So today we're going to be taking a look at the Pitaka MagEZ 4 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now this does come for a bunch of different phones, and I'll make sure to leave the links down in the description below, but today we're looking at the iPhone 15 Pro Max version. Now this is Pitaka's thin case. It's thin and light, it feels caseless is what they're saying, and it is an aramid fiber 600D case. Now, this is part of their PetaFlow ecosystem for iPhones, which is just basically a huge magnetic different ecosystem with a bunch of different chargers and other accessories that are really great. Pitaka does an excellent job with their accessories, so definitely make sure you check them out. But for now, let's take a look at the rest of the box. Now, on the back it says it's ultra slim and light, a caseless feeling, it's MagSafe compatible, and it's made out of 100% biodegradable packaging. Now, this is the black and gray twill, and it works with the PetaFlow for iPhone. So this is just a little bit of information about the fusion weaving and about Pitaka, and that's pretty much it. Really nice packaging. Again, Pitaka, just like on the MagEZ Case 4 Pro, excellent packaging, very, very good. Now, let's take a look at the inside. So starting off, let's go ahead and open this up. It's a little bit difficult, but there we go. So let's get this out of the box, and Pitaka always with the super eco-friendly packaging. Very nice touch, Pitaka. Thank you so much for that. So here it just says, Peta Care, we care for our planet. The package is made out of 100% biodegradable materials and nothing else. So opening this up, you're greeted first with your MagEZ 4 case. And let's take that out. You get a little bit of paperwork there, a little get ready information sheet here about Pitaka and about this case. And you also get, just like with the MagEZ 4 Pro, you get these little fit stickers. So if for some reason your iPhone doesn't fit in there, you've got these stickers right there that are able to get you the correct fit that you need. So let's put all this stuff to the side. Now, this accidentally fell out, but you get some removal instructions and you get the case. Now, starting off with the inside, you get that wonderful Pitaka MagSafe ring. Super strong magnets as always from Pitaka. Very, very nice feeling on the inside. You feel that 600D aramid fiber in there. It's very faint, but you can feel the texture in there. Very good touch. And moving along to the back, you do get that same feeling there. Now, this case, as you can see, is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. So that is definitely something to note, but you know, if you touch around the back of it, you're gonna get some fingerprint. Let's give it a little bit of a wipe down real quick, and then we'll move along to the rest of the case. So starting off, like I said, on the back, you get that really nice aramid fiber feeling, as well as a little bit of Pitaka branding right there. So let's go ahead and slap our 15 Pro Max in that titanium black color in there. I always get this confused. Why is that so dirty? I always get this confused with the space black. So if you guys hear me say space black iPhone 15 Pro Max or black titanium, I am referring to the black titanium. But anyways, moving along, get that nice, very nice Pitaka snap in there. Very, very secure snap. Now, this case is very thin, very minimal, but don't worry, if you drop it or anything like that, it's not gonna come off because it's got a super, super tight fit on there. So let's check out these corners. Let's see if I'm able to get them off well and click them for you. They're very thin, so it's not gonna be a super loud click, but it's on there. It's got these little teeth all around that hold to your phone really tightly. But let's see if we can hear a click. Not one there. Oh, this corner's a little bit difficult to get off. I don't really like touching the camera, but we'll just pull that. There's your click right there. Nice little one right there. And on the bottom, nothing too crazy. But like I said, this is a really tight fitting case. It's not the easiest to get off, but it's not too difficult. But if you drop it, it's not coming off. Don't worry about that. Now, let's move along to the rest of the case. On the top, this is your very minimal style case. So your top is completely open, except right there on the corners. On the left-hand side is closed, except for your buttons. You have your action button, volume up and down right there. Those are open because this is Pitaka's very, very minimal style case. Same thing with the bottom. You just have those little corners protected right there, but your microphone and your speakers are completely open, as well as that USB Type-C port. And on the right-hand side is closed, except for your power button. Now, how does this feel in the hand, and how does it fit on the phone? Excellent. Pitaka always has a great fit, in my opinion, on their cases. It never comes off. The MagEZ series has always been one of my favorite cases. I've been using Pitaka cases long before I started YouTube, long before any of this, before when I was just a regular guy I still am a regular guy, but I love Pitaka. This one was actually sent out to me by Pitaka to review for you guys, but if they didn't send this to me, I would have totally bought it with my own money. And I did actually buy the Pitaka MagEZ 4 Pro with my own money for you guys. I love Pitaka. They're one of my favorite brands, always have been, and they're always taking care of the channel. So a huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Now, anyways, moving along, let's check out that camera protection. So on the right there, it's not too crazy with the protection, but you get a little bit of that lip there, if you can see it right there for that. And moving along to the screen, there's no screen lip. You're not getting that screen lip because this is not your protective case, excuse me. You're not getting much of a screen lip. Now, I'm not using a tempered glass screen protector, and you can see it's right there to the lip of the phone. So super minimal style case. You got that little bit of camera protection right there, not really any screen protection. So do not go sitting this down on any weird hard surfaces. You're gonna scratch your screen. This is not your protective case. Now, same thing with the bottom. I wouldn't go putting it on any crazy kind of surfaces, but the camera should be pretty much protected, so you're able to do that. But like I said, don't go dropping this too crazy. This is not your shock absorption protective case. Now, I have dropped these cases before. They're gonna get a little bit of damage on the corners. This one I haven't dropped yet, but when you drop them, they get a little bit of damage, but that's what it's for. You know, it's a case. It's there to take that little bit of damage and hopefully protect your phone as much as it can. But if you're someone who drops their phone, someone with clumsy hands, this one may not be for you. So let's go ahead and test the MagSafe on it. So we'll start off with our Apple MagSafe wallet with just that little insert in there. Very strong magnets. There you go. Super strong magnets on here. You can sit here and mimic this going on your pocket. Try to sit here and slide around, and it's not coming off because this is just super strong magnets. Pitaka's always killing it with the magnets, and the Apple MagSafe battery pack doesn't have the strongest magnets, and you still have nothing to worry about when it's on there. You got to really kind of force it off. Now, moving along to the Apple MagSafe battery pack, we'll just go ahead. This has your alignment magnet, but the case does not. That's something to note, but not something to worry about. As you can see, it's not really aligned on there, but it's on there. And this is a super secure fit. Let's go ahead and give it a shake. I mean, I can sit here and shake this all day long. This isn't coming off, and, you know, sit here, do whatever you got to do to try to test it. It's not coming off. You got to really kind of force this off. And that silicone on the Apple MagSafe battery pack really helps out. And as well as the little 600D aramid fiber, it gives a little bit of texture there. So it gives a tiny bit of that grip on the case. And finally, moving along to the Anker 623 stand. I don't even think we have to put this on there, but, you know, when you sit here and you just spin this all the way around, you've really got nothing to worry about. I can't even, you know, there we go. I finally got it off. You sit here and spin around. Like I said, you have nothing to worry about. And you can sit here, tap along the screen, do whatever you got to do, and you're good to go. And finally, let's just go ahead and pick that up and, you know, give it a shake. Let's see how much it takes for it to actually come off. And I'm kind of scared to break this stand, but there we go. I mean, I had to really grab down to the hinge and kind of shake it off in order to be able to get that off. So this, again, is the Pitaka MagEZ 4 case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And like I said, I'll leave the links down to it down in the description below. This feels great in the hand. It's an excellent, excellent minimal case. I very much recommend it. Now, the price, it's a little bit pricey. We're talking like 50 bucks. But if you know Pitaka, you know that MagSafe, you know that aramid fiber, and you know that quality. So I definitely recommend this case. Links are down below. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.